Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner in 2023.
Top 1.
Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pet Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pet Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer in cleaning technology. Keeping your home clean and free of pet hair can be a daunting task, especially if you have multiple pets. While traditional vacuum cleaners have been effective in cleaning floors, they often fall short when it comes to removing pet hair from furniture, carpets, and other hard-to-reach areas. Fortunately, the Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pet Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has arrived to solve this problem. The Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pet Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an innovative cleaning solution that is designed to tackle the toughest pet hair and dirt. It features a powerful motor that delivers up to 120 W of suction power, which is more than enough to remove pet hair from carpets and furniture. The vacuum cleaner also comes with a powerful LED brush head that illuminates the area you're cleaning, making it easier to spot dirt and debris.
Top 2.
Tineco Floor 1 S3 Cordless Hardwood Floors Cleaner. Keeping your hardwood floors clean and polished can be a daunting task, but with the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Cordless Hardwood Floor Cleaner, the chore can be completed with ease. This state-of-the-art cleaner is designed to tackle even the toughest dirt and stains, leaving your hardwood floors looking brand new. One of the standout features of the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Cordless Hardwood Floor Cleaner is its cordless design. The device can be used anywhere in your home without being tethered to a power outlet, allowing for quick and easy cleaning. The rechargeable battery provides up to 35 minutes of cleaning time, which is more than enough for most homes. Another impressive feature of the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Cordless Hardwood Floor Cleaner is its powerful suction. The device utilizes a high-speed motor that generates up to 150 W of suction power, ensuring that even the smallest dirt particles are effectively removed from your floors. The cleaner also comes with a set of LED lights that make it easy to see any dirt or debris that may be hiding in hard-to-reach areas.
Top 3.
Tineco Smart Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaners, Floor Cleaner Mop. Keeping your home clean is essential for a healthy and comfortable living. While traditional cleaning methods such as sweeping and mopping are still popular, modern technology has revolutionized the way we clean our homes. Tineco Smart Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaners are a prime example of this technology, providing an innovative and convenient solution for cleaning your floors. Tineco is a leading brand in the field of vacuum cleaners, offering a range of smart and efficient products. Their smart wet-dry vacuum cleaners are designed to handle various cleaning tasks with ease. The vacuum cleaners come equipped with a powerful motor that can handle both wet and dry messes, making it an ideal tool for any household. One of the standout features of Tineco Smart Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaners is their floor cleaner mop. This attachment allows users to vacuum and mop their floors simultaneously, saving time and effort. The mop features a high-quality microfiber pad that picks up dirt and grime, leaving your floors spotless and shining. The mop attachment can be easily detached for cleaning and replaced when needed.
Top 4.
Tineco Pure 1 S12X Smart Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Tineco Pure 1 S12X Smart Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, the future of cleaning. Gone are the days when vacuuming was a mundane chore that required dragging a heavy machine from one corner of the house to another. With the advent of cordless stick vacuum cleaners, cleaning has become more convenient, efficient, and even enjoyable. Among the latest models available in the market, the Tineco Pure 1S 12X Smart Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a game changer. At first glance, the Tineco Pure 1S 12X appears sleek, elegant, and futuristic. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver around furniture and reach tight spaces. Unlike traditional vacuum cleaners, it does not require a bag or filter replacement, thanks to its washable HEPA filter that captures up to 99.97% of dust, pollen, and pet dander. But what sets the Tineco Pure 1S 12X apart is its smart features. Equipped with a digital display and a companion app, it allows users to monitor the battery life, filter condition, and suction power in real time. The app also provides cleaning reports, maintenance reminders, and customer support.
Top 5.
Tineco Pure 1S 15 Pet X Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Tineco Pure 1S 15 Pet X Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping our homes clean and tidy can be a daunting task, especially when we have pets. Pet hair and dander can quickly accumulate on floors, carpets, and upholstery, making it challenging to maintain a hygienic environment. However, with the Tineco Pure 1S 15 Pet X Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, pet owners can breathe a sigh of relief. The Tineco Pure 1S 15 Pet X Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an innovative cleaning tool that has been specifically designed for pet owners. This cordless vacuum cleaner comes equipped with a powerful suction system that can quickly and effectively remove pet hair and debris from all types of surfaces. The vacuum also features a multi-stage filtration system that captures 99.99% of pet dander, dust mites, and other allergens, making it ideal for households with allergy sufferers. One of the most impressive features of the Tineco Pure 1S 15 Pet X Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is its smart technology. The vacuum connects to the Tineco app, which allows users to customize their cleaning experience.
Top 6.
Shark is 483H Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum with DuoClean PowerFins. Shark is 483H Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum with DuoClean PowerFins, a revolution in cleaning technology. Keeping a home clean and free from dust, dirt, and debris is a never-ending task. Vacuuming can be an exhausting and time-consuming process, especially when you have to drag a heavy machine around a house. But what if there was a vacuum that made cleaning effortless and efficient? Introducing the Shark is 483H Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum with DuoClean PowerFins, a revolution in cleaning technology. The Shark is 483H is a cordless vacuum designed to make cleaning a breeze. With its powerful suction and DuoClean PowerFins, it effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors alike. The DuoClean PowerFins are two brush rolls that work together to clean both fine dust and large debris. The soft brush roll pulls in small particles, while the bristle brush roll deep cleans carpets and rugs. One of the biggest advantages of the Shark is 483H is its cordless design. With a rechargeable battery, you can take the vacuum wherever you need it, without having to worry about finding a power outlet. Top 7. Tab T9 Pro Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Tab T9 Pro Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful cleaning companion. Keeping our homes clean and tidy is a never-ending task, and having the right tools can make all the difference. The Tab T9 Pro Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is one such tool that can help make cleaning a breeze. This vacuum cleaner is designed to be versatile and powerful, making it ideal for a range of cleaning tasks. One of the standout features of the Tab T9 Pro Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is its cordless design. This means you don't have to worry about being tethered to a power outlet while cleaning, giving you more flexibility and freedom to move around your home. The vacuum cleaner comes with a rechargeable battery that provides up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge, allowing you to tackle even the most stubborn dirt and dust. Another impressive feature of the Tab T9 Pro Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is its ability to clean both wet and dry surfaces. This makes it ideal for spills, pet accidents, and cleaning up after messy DIY projects.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.